I am from Collaboration Technologies. We are in software development, technology, training and consulting. Okay. We are dedicated to deliver quality services. Our team is professional and experienced, proactive, convert client requirements into workable solutions. We have skills and commitment to make it a success. Here is an application called Retail Remote Sales and Service Order Management. In this application, you can manage employees, sales, billing, collection, service informations. Okay. Retail businesses with large customer base can use this kind of applications mainly for water can and bottles management, pharmacy and distribution, any distribution management with more CSR agent and customer base. Okay. Here we are mentioning all the features what we can provide and what are the benefits of this application. This application is developed with open source technology and it reduces the paperwork. Then it is very easy for service personnel to use and automate the process. Here are various screens like login, security, how to manage security, how to manage customer service representative profile, and list of customers, billing, collection, CSR login. Okay, how to manage customer data, sales data, service and charges, billing and collection. Many more information is there. You can call for a demo. So you can contact our address, email, or you can use a WhatsApp number mentioned on the screen. Thank you.